Hello friends, hope doing good. I'm come back after a long time. So today I'll show you how you can get Photoshop on your iPhone. So first of all, you should go to Play Store, Apple Store. Then you go to search option. Then you can type here Photoshop. Then coming many options, many apps. Then you can just get Photoshop Express. And you can just need to permission. After permission, then taking some time for downloading. You say there's the downloading, it will be take little bit time. You can follow, this is the original, but also have many more apps, but this is the original and Photoshop. Then you just wait for some time. Take little bit more time according to your internet speed. Look, let me check how to download. Yeah, this is downloading. You see now in installing. Take a little bit time. You should just open and yeah, now it's done. Now we should open Adobe Photoshop. Everyone, next. And then you just need to log in. If you have already access, if you have any account in Adobe, then you can sign in here. Or if you want to log in with Facebook, Google, and Apple, then you can log in with this platform. So that's it. And thanks for watching this video. And let me know if you need any query. Maybe I'll make more videos about this Photoshop with your iPhone. So you can stay with me and you'll see this series video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.